Hi guys, welcome to another fun travel vlog with me. And today we are in Mayam Lake. This place is located in the Bicholim Taluka of North Goa. So I am coming here after 9 years. Yes, that's a long gap you can see, but things have changed here drastically and they have changed for better. Now Mayam Lake is a popular tourist picnic spot and the region around the lake is hilly and the slopes are covered with forest, wild cashews. This lake is very beautiful all through the year, but it is most popular during the tourist season, that is from October to March. But during the monsoon season, it is an unforgettable experience. Because Goa is at its greenest and nature's beauty really unfolds. Now this is the entrance of the Mayam Lake. This is the reception area and you need to pay ₹10 as the entry fee to enter this place. When you enter, there are souvenir shops. If you want to buy something, then you can do that. This is the location map of Mayam Lake. There are various adventures that they have set up, but the most important attraction they have started recently is the bungee jumping. So those who want to enjoy bungee jumping can come here. These are other activities they have put up here. If you are interested in water rafting or you want to enjoy the electric bikes, contact number, everything is given here. This water rafting is happening in Satari Taluka. Contact number is given. So when you come here, you can check it out for yourself. Then there's scuba diving at Grand Island. All the details are mentioned there. And this is a ticket counter for bungee jumping. Do's and don'ts, everything is explained here, criterias. Everything is explained, so when you come here, you can check it out for yourself. But we have personally not opted for bungee jumping because I'm scared of heights. That's the reason. But those who don't want to go for bungee jumping, they can go for boat ride, not an issue. This is the cafeteria. Those who want to have snacks, juice, refreshments, everything, you can come here.
Fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now.
Now Mayam is surrounded by a plethora of things to do and places to see, but a day trip is not really enough to enjoy the lesser known portion of Goa. So we are heading towards the entrance of the boating ride. Yes, we are reaching here.
Don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never want to look at a house in the garden.
So this is the entrance, as you can see, boating. So we have decided for a boat ride. The cost of it is per person 200 and for 45 minutes. Yes. Yes, we are now enjoying a boat ride, as you can see. Now how do you reach this place? There are a number of buses that run from Mapsa and Panaji to Bicholim and from there to Mayam Lake. Nearest interstate bus station is at Mapsa KTC bus stop, or else you can rent a car or bike from Panaji to reach this lake. And when Google Map is there, you don't have to worry about anything. Also, when I came here, I found out that there is a worth visiting nearby in the picturesque village of Mayam is the Kumbarwada, where villagers belong mainly to the farming community. Also, the families of this Kumbarwada locality, they make amazing Ganesh idols out of terracotta, which are shipped all around Goa for the festival, mainly the Ganesh festival. Now these were the cottages, but after pandemic it is still closed, because when we had gone there it was closed. To attract a higher number of tourists, the GDDC has come up with all new thrilling adventures, that is bungee jumping is one of them. Being in collaboration with the Jumping Heights, which is a bungee jumping company in India. Safety measures are well taken, and to add a tinge of thrill, you will be leaped up from an altitude of 55 meters above the edge of the lake, and to ensure the safety of the jumpers, a crew of Jumping Heights will be present, as each one of them are well trained, and this adventure is open for children above the age of 15 years, and rest of the details you can ask them when you come here. But those who are like me, who are not interested in adventurous, thrilling, exciting, what you can say, because of the height problem, can opt boating ride the way we have done. This is also equally fun. It's a wonderful view that you can get.
Keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, cause my love deserves to be free.
This lake is located 7 kilometers from the Saptakoteshwar temple. Also, a trip to famous Chamundi temple at Pedigaon also is a worth visit. And there are other places also when you can visit, actually nearby, not so far, as one of them is Arvale Falls. Then there is Pandava's cave near Arvale Falls. You can go there, check out for yourself. Then while coming to Bicholim also, you get to see lovely temples. So today we had a great time. I hope you all had a great time with us and enjoyed this fun travel vlog with me. If you like this vlog, please give me a thumbs up, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll come up with more interesting travel vlogs, so keep on watching my channel. Till then, take care, stay healthy, stay safe, and don't forget to wear your mask. Bye.